Hello everyone, is Root Racer Fit 6 here, and today I'm gonna today I bought some new Thomas & Friends engines to part of my collection. So, let's get started, shall we? Alright. First one up is Percy. It's a card art. Here's a train. Let's unbox it. Okay. Here's Percy. New face. Percy looks good. Got two small wheels. Got a red box on there, under it. Here the lamp light. Number 6. And lamp light in the back. Very cool. Awesome. Alright, next one up is Mavis. Here's a card art. Here's a train. Let's unbox it. Here's Mavis. Here at the Farquhar Quarry. Here the D0204. Oh. You've got yellow and black stripes in the front. And here the wheels. Where'd the cover of it? Where'd the cover? Boy. Okay, where are the yellow and black in the back? They put me yellow and black in the back. Oh well, it's paint black. And got Mavis. Next, we got Whiff. Whiff returns. Here's a card art. Here's a train. Let's unbox it. Here's Whiff. He got big glasses. And he's very clean. I mean, he ain't covered in dirt like all engines go a whiff, but he clean. Very clean. Number 66 on there. Got the wheel alignments good. Two small wheels in the back. Pretty cool. Got the lamp in the back as well. And got whistles. Got whistles on there, on the boiler and on the roof. Here the glasses. They're plastic. Get that plastic. Cool. Next we got a new character. The name is Flynn Jr. What the heck is Flynn Jr.? All I know is the original Flynn that was in Day of the Diesels from 2012. Who is this? Is this a new Flynn? I guess so. Here's a card art. Here's a card. Let's unbox it. Okay. Alright. Here's Flynn Jr. Got plastic wheels. Plastic body. Yeah, plastic body. And got metal, half metal here too. Oh, and ladder moves. Oh yeah. Hold on. Yeah, look at that, the ladder moves. So the firefighters can go up. Yeah. Yeah, let me move this ladder down. Down. Boom. So yeah, this Flynn Jr. is number 45. Guess it's a Flynn Jr. then. Oh boy. Next, we got first freight car. Scruffy returns. Here's a card art. It's mad. Here's Scruffy freight car. Let's unbox it. Here's Scruffy, the freight car. And not gonna lie, this look good. They got the interior done. Let me see what the interior look like inside. It looked pretty good. Got wood planks on there. And here's Scruffy and Co. Scruffy and Company. Ballast Contractors. Timothy Sodor. Cool. So I got our first freight car. Awesome. Next, we got Salty returns. Here's a card art. And here's the train. Let's unbox it. Here's Salty. Got yellow and black lines in front. Got yellow buffers. Black running board. Number 2991 on there. Black wheels. Where are the yellow and black lines on this one? There are supposed to be yellow and black lines in the back as well. Forgot about that. I don't remember Salty have a red cap on there. They're supposed to have black. Alright. It's Salty. And last but not least, we have Charlie as a girl. Oh boy. Okay, first of all, let's go back in the past. Cause Charlie was a boy, Mattel. Charlie was a boy. Charlie was a boy. Back in 2012. He was telling jokes. Now we have a girl now. Girl version of Charlie. This will not look good. Yeah. Okay, that's a cool. Oh. Okay, them trucks are cool. Sorry about that. But anywho, let's unbox Charlie, the girl engine. Come on out. Here, Charlie, the girl engine. Number 14. She's purple. I mean, She's cute. She's cute. Why she have a purple running board? She supposed to have a red running board. Ay, ay, ay. Here's NWR on there. Yep. So, that my Thomas and Friends diecast trains unboxing. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace.